everyone, Tiffany Hensley here with Vicious Family Travel. I am checking into Sandals Montego Bay, room 722. This is a beachfront Grande Luxe Club Level Junior Suite with balcony Tranquility soaking tub. So I'm just gonna step in here. This is one of the freshly refurbished rooms. So these rooms have been recently redecorated. So you can tell by the gorgeous bathroom. So these do have backlit mirrors. There is a makeup mirror, dual vanity, gorgeous walk-in shower. So you can see up top, you do have the rain head and an additional shower head. And as you walk into the main part of the living area, you have a king-size bed. Sandals Montego Bay is situated on the largest beach on the north shore of Jamaica. So I will show you the amazing ocean view here in just a moment. So there are the robes, plenty of hangers, additional pillows, and your safe back there, and your iron and ironing board. You got plenty of space to put clothes. There's some yummy fruit. It's a welcome basket. Additional seating here. And then the most important part is the view. And so they have these fun soaking tubs here. They do have privacy curtains. What you can hear is we are very close to the airport. So that is one thing to keep in mind with Sandals Montego Bay. This is a gorgeous resort with great views, lots of beach to be able to soak in, fun activity. Being in Montego Bay, this resort does participate in the stay at 1, play at 3. So staying here, you do have the ability to go and visit both Sandals Royal Caribbean as well as Sandals Inn. So you have full exchange privileges at both of those. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your Wishes agent. Everyone have a great day. Bye.